Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do analysis of Bank Nifty and the Nifty, how it performed today and and our prediction how it's going to perform tomorrow. Uh, so today if we look about the Bank Nifty indexes, it closed on a positive note and it ended at 19,745 level. So 20,000 is a psychological level. If it breaks well below the 20,000, then yes, the Bank Nifty it's going to come down, can come down back to 16,000 quite easily, because the support seems somewhat near 16,000 to 16,500 is yeah, here is one of the biggest support, and it's one of the support for 200 moving average as well. So let's do some analysis of it. So let me grab a paint. Yeah, so now we can see, so the coronavirus pandemic started somewhere here and the market started to fall well below to 16,000. 16,000 was a good 200 moving average support. From here the buyers came in, lot of people buyed for investment purpose, lot of institutions buyed some used positions, so the market went upside. So one thing I would say is, market has a sudden fall, like quite a sudden fall. This has never been in the history that market has fallen this much points, in such a couple of days. So now it's not possible as for me, because I haven't seen that market would recover at a one shot, at a one flow. So it has to bring a swing to actually go upward, and it will take about an year to get back to 30,000 level. It can take more than a year as well. So okay, so coming back to this, so market has tried to go upside to 20,000 point, and then the sellers came in and market came down below. Now here you can see a swing is getting formed. Now this has become a resistance level for me, and this is acting as one of the support level for the market. So market came below near about support level, and then again it started to go upside. Right, it went up, then till the resistance level, and then it pulled back. Now it has no immediate support to it. So yeah, market can come well below. So as of now there are no new medicines. The news are not good for the coronavirus. It's getting spread throughout the world, so there's no new big news. So market can come down below, or market can go till to this resistance level. So we are going to watch this for a couple of days before taking a big positions. Now let's analyze this on an intraday basis, like how would you trade on an intraday basis. So what I'll do, I'll clear my drawings. Let's go to 15 minutes chart and let's see how the market performed today. When we talk about intraday trading, so the main factor come to us is the support and the resistance. We need to do a perfect support and resistance. Let's draw this line. So and I'll draw another line which would be, yeah, okay. I'll just bring bit below so it touches a good number of points. Yeah, so I'll explain what I did. So this was my yesterday's graph. So you can see the market open and it went below, and then at this point it again went up. So there is some support for this particular flow, that's for yesterday's flow. Now today the market did open gap down, and somewhat at this particular resistance point, and it broke it and it went below. So this should act as support for this particular run. However, the market went below. Okay, so the market came below and came below till this particular support point, and at that support point the buyers kick in, and then the market went above till the resistance point. Now talking about how did I draw this resistance and support. So I've drawn this support line, the above red line. by by touching yesterday's resistance, and if we validate it, so it also validates at this particular point, and it's validated this particular point. There are touches to this point, so yeah, it's and at this one as well. So it is quite a good support line. And talking about the resistance line, that's below 1, so we are getting a touch here, and we are getting a touch here as well, and somewhat we are getting a touch here as well. I'll consider this as well. So this is one of the immediate support the market was happening. So you can trade this beautiful swing. So you are getting a swing of about 600 points, which is a good swing if you have perfectly drawn the support and resistance. So if you guys, please check out my support and resistance video if you want to learn how to draw this. So this was about the Bank Nifty. Now what's the tomorrow's overview for me? Now the tomorrow overview for me is, if market open above somewhat at this level, somewhat above 20,000 level. So 20,000 is one of the key points for me. So if it open above 20,000 level, then this particular line is going to act as a support for this. So so it's very hard to break this. So it can go above till this particular point. So you can get this much, almost 8,800 rupees fluctuation tomorrow. But if market is open below, if market opens below, then within 20,000 to 19,700, then it's gonna remain in this particular area, right? And so I expect market to open neutral, or maybe to open on a positive note, because as of now the global indices are positive, and let's see the market goes upward. So Bank Nifty as compared to Nifty is in the swear side. I mean, I would say Bank Nifty is not performing well as compared to Nifty, so we need to watch out for Bank Nifty. So guys, I hope you had a great learning session about the support and resistance, and how I plan my intraday trade, and how you can do a profitable trade daily. So if you have any comments, please do post on the comment sections, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up to this video by liking it, and please do subscribe my channel for daily suggestions on what to buy and how to trade. See you guys in the other video. Thank you.